Hey puppy, I'm bored. I want to play with something. I'll just go on the floor. Peanuts. What just happened? It's a computer.
Spectre.
It's an HP SPECTRE. I always wanted one. Let's open it. Oh wait, I need some help.
You're good. And you. First, let me do it. Wait, where? Is there a hole somewhere? Hold this.
And now we see.
Stop. YouTube. I didn't say YouTube. Wow, it's soft. I think it's full. Hey,
There's foam on here.
it's a laptop. HP. Oh, what are these? How do you smell? It's kind of like. Wait. I'll put the laptop.
Those are in the end.
Oh.
Those are where the power cable.
Wait, what is this? I think it's the pen. I really like drawing.
Show the picture of the pen.
Yes, it is the pen. And these are cables too. Okay. Let's start.
done.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates.
Next.
Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. Options for signing in speedily and securely. Would you prefer to use your fingerprint or your face?
Yes. Do you want to?
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready. Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press Send. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.